Water is an extremely important compound for every organism on the planet. But if this is the blue planet, why do we lack water? Well, over time, our species has increased in number and territorial expansion. With this, the demand for the vital liquid has increased. And not only for drinking, we have involved it in an endless number of human activities. It is not that it lacks in quantity, but in quality. And although there are thousands of processes to treat it, the hydrological footprint continues to grow immeasurably. Some of the waste from our activities still continues to fall into rivers, lakes, or directly into the seas, affecting a large number of wet but an immense diversity of species. That is why, in 2019, Ecopil Arte Crea Conciencia creates a National Wetland Conservation Program, which seeks to rehabilitate and conserve these ecosystems, which are characterized by a good variety of elements that are very beneficial to humanity, including access to water. We do this through our 5-step model of social innovation and environmental management. Step 1. Comprehend our world through scientific and participative investigation. Step 2. Impulse talent and culture through education, communication, and environmental training. Step 3. Improve the environment through productivity and technology. Step 4. Systematize good practice and promote better decision making. Step 5. To finalize, increase investment and consolidate alliance and teams. So far, the organization is working on 21 sites in 15 states of our country. We have extracted an approximate of 55,465 kilograms of harmful agents from our wetlands, with the cooperation of 6,292 volunteers. Among them are members of the community, private initiative, the academy, and the government. At present, the goal has not yet been reached. We need to carry out a large number of actions in which water quality analysis, monitoring of the biodiversity present at the sites, and other procedures that allow us to check on the restoration of the work sites take place. In addition, so that our actions have transcendence for generations, we carry out environmental education days and prepare or advise sustainable productive projects that help communities to generate jobs. Our solution permits the other category of the Zayed Sustainability Award, contemplates all the axes and factors that help us achieve lasting development for our species and the biome.